In this video, we are going to look at the Salem floor plan by Freure Homes here in the Westwood Village Community of Cambridge, Ontario. I've done tours of pretty much all of these model homes. They all look about the same from the outside, but they are all different, ranging from 1,500 square feet all the way to 2,000 square feet right here in this very community. And the price is ranging from $750 all the way to $1 million. So there are lots of options. This one is close to 1,500 square feet, laid out over 2-story, and there is a finished basement. So let's go right in and take a look at this one. Now, in case if this is your first time to the channel, be sure to subscribe and tap on the bell so you are the first to learn about the current market in and around Kitchener-Waterloo. My name is Dharmik Dixit. I am a local real estate agent serving Kitchener, Waterloo, and surrounding areas, and I have people just like you reach out to me looking for help in making their move in and around Kitchener-Waterloo, and I love helping them. So whether you are thinking of moving in 9 days or 9 months, be sure to reach out. You can call me, text me, or email me, or even schedule a Zoom call. All the info is right below. I'll be more than happy to help you make a smooth move in and around Kitchener-Waterloo. So they do have this nice modern elevation, and I love the contrast of dark and light that's going on with this exterior. Great pick of the color choices by Freure in this exterior. And let's get right in and see the best part of the home, which is obviously the interior part. Sit back, relax, and enjoy the tour. So right as you enter, you have this nice and spacious foyer area to get you settled as you go in and out of the home. And as you can see to the right is where we have the coat closet to hang in your jackets, to leave your shoes. And that door to the left is where we have garage entrance into the house. So we have single wide garage, one car on the driveway, one car in the garage. And you take a step further to get you onto the living area. Now to the left, that door is what's leading you into the basement that is unfinished. And to the right, we have another door, which is a 2-piece powder room conveniently located on the main level. You have quad-side countertops on this vanity and pretty decent size. That's a foyer once again. And now we are into the living, dining, and we'll take a look at the kitchen as well. But take a look at this formal dining area. You may not need as big of a dining table. This is an 8-seater. And you have a natural flow into the living area that is completely carpet free. And worth noting that you do have an access to the deck that is a walkout and is included as a standard from the builder. So as you can see, it's a completely open flow. There is no wall between the living, dining, and we'll take a look at the kitchen just in a second. And there goes your kitchen, which is C-shaped, and it's completely open and naturally flowing into the dining area. Not sure about the red backsplash there. You let me know, what do you guys think about it? But you do have an overhang here, so you can put those bar stools and use that space. Pretty smart layout that way. And you have a quad-side countertops in the kitchen. Again, that's a builder standard. You have also the raised cabinetry, raised to the ceiling, which gives an extra space to the top. Again, just tell me, comment below. I would love to know your thoughts about those red backsplash. I'm not a big fan, but you know, there may be a fan on this video who would love this red backsplash. Take one more look at this main level. Nice and open. I like the kitchen size. And let's head upstairs now. So as you go upstairs, you have this open ceiling that's tall enough, that is open to above as you head to the second level. And on the second level, it's a 3-bedroom layout you're looking at. And we have a carpet on this second level as a builder standard. And we have a second level laundry. It's a must-have, especially if you're buying a new house. I can tell you, when it comes for you to sell this home, someone would want a laundry on the second level for a home that is of this current age. Now that's one of the secondary bedrooms. Not the greatest size in my opinion. It could be used just the way it is as a nursery, maybe a kid's bedroom, but may not be enough space for a full-size bedroom. Mind you though, this townhome is under 1500 square feet. So anything over 1500, there are options in this community that will give you some great options with, rather more spacious layout. And that's another bedroom, one of the secondary bedrooms next to each other. And you can see the space here as well. Not as big, but this could be rather used as if you got teenage kids, this could be a bedroom for them. So if you're a young family, a small family of 3 or 4, something like this could work. But anything over 1500 square feet, in my opinion, will give you a better space and a better layout in terms of the townhomes. And Freure does have those options within this very same community as well. Now that's the 4-piece washroom that is to be shared by those 2 bedrooms. We have a tub and a shower combo here. And you have a black tiled shower space. And a quartzite vanity as well. And right next to it is we have a linen closet, pretty standard. And the other side of that area is where we have a primary bedroom with an ensuite and a walk-in closet. It's a good sized primary bedroom. Only pain point for some buyers could be that it falls to the front of the house, not to the back of the house. So you could anticipate a little bit more noise for ongoing traffic from the street, but may not be a deal breaker for many of you. But again, as I'm talking about that 1500 square feet and above, you can see in this bedroom as well. It's not as small as room, but yeah, something slightly bigger would have been better. Now that's the walk-in closet. This is a good enough size. You could definitely, customize it, organize it. Built-in shelving, you can install it to make the most of this space. And I like the fact that there is that small window there. Take one more look at this bedroom. And now let's head to the primary ensuite. We have double sink vanity, which is very practical. And you have a standing shower, which is perfect. You don't have to have a tub in your primary ensuite, in my opinion. Most of the times you don't end up using it. So standing shower is more practical, in my opinion. And yeah, that's your 3-bedroom layout on the second level. Now let's head to the main level and talk of everything you need to know. So there you have it, the Salem by Freure Homes here in the Westwood Village Community. Now, in case this one is not your style, don't worry, because there are lots of options by Freure as well as the other builders in this very community. I've done tours of many other homes within this community, so feel free to check it out right here on my channel. And whether you are thinking of going in 9 days or 9 months, be sure to reach out. You can call me, text me, email me, or schedule a Zoom call. I'll be more than happy to help you and family relocate in and around Kitchener-Waterloo. Until next time, well, I do hope to show you around town.